Publix really quick. I'm going to get oat flour. I need olive brine because I think we're gonna make martinis at my friend's house today. I have a list. Why am I listing them? Ginger tea. I want to see if there's any cold foams for the holidays. And chocolate chips. I'm gonna make cookies. My boyfriend's last weekend, we were trying chocolate chip cookies with almond flour and oat flour. He wanted to use almond and oat flour because he already had it, and I really wanted to just make regular cookies, and then I forgot to buy the flour, the regular flour. So we found a few recipes and they were both so good. I just don't have time today to chill my cookies. That's perfect when you make it with oat flour because it's like really flaky. They had absolutely nothing. So I also have a regular recipe saved with regular flour. I'm just gonna try that. I only bought 2 things. Everything was out. No way. Guys, no. No. What happened? Why did it spread like crazy? What? Oh my god, it's like burning. What did I do? There's no way. I'm so confused. This is so sad. I put so much love into this. Okay. I hope everyone loves cookie cake. About a month ago, I realized that my forehead started breaking out a little bit more than normal. I've been trying to get rid of it, and instead I think either I already did or I'm very close to breaking my skin barrier. Today's skincare is going to be a little bit different. The only acid that I am going to use today is going to be this one because it's very gentle on my skin, and this usually helps me get everything else off my face. This happened a lot with my skin back in 2021 when I got really dry skin from overusing products. Now we're kind of going through it again, except it happened with actual treatment, not just the random products trying to fix it. I'm going to take a break from using any acids for the next few days and really focus on just hydrating my skin. I really love this brand. I haven't used their stuff in a while. I think they have their moisturizer now at Sephora, so I think I might rebuy that because my skin was the most hydrated when I was using that. Oh, I really like this one too. Reminds me a lot of the Rhode, I think, because it has ceramides in it. I'm gonna use my Medicube to kind of seal everything in. I'm gonna go in with this moisturizer. I don't know if this one is a restorative hydro hyaluronic cream. I've been using it for the past month. It's the most hydrating moisturizer I have, so I'm gonna go with this one. My skin hates the winter. Any change in temperature, it breaks out so easily. I notice it a lot when I travel to places that's colder than Florida. in places that's not as humid as Florida. If I go to a dry environment, my skin is not happy. I don't know if these two work the same. I know that this one seals everything in, but this is also like a barrier. I'm just gonna go with this one because I've used it before. It keeps my skin so hydrated all night. I don't know how. We're gonna make a matcha. I have new thoughts about the matcha that I tried from the small brand Tanuki Matcha. I'm gonna put a little bit more to see if I could get a little bit more flavor. Really good. I'm also squatting because my tripod's not tall enough. I'm gonna be using this one. Cami's also blasting music upstairs. I think she's cleaning. Ran out of maple syrup, but I forgot. I bought this at Trader Joe's and it's basically just whipped maple syrup. So I'm gonna add 2 scoops of this, maybe like 1.5. I haven't cold whisked my matcha in a while, so I think I'm actually gonna do that because I want this to be more of a dessert matcha. I should have made a paste first. I do have a resin whisk, so this won't ruin my whisk. Gonna mix in the maple butter. I do like this much. Look how frothy. I'm so excited about this. I haven't done this in forever. Look how beautiful. Add just a little bit more. How beautiful. Maybe it didn't need more oat milk. Someone asked me in my recent video how I get these little quotes on my front screen, and it's the app I Am. Not sponsored. I've had this for maybe 4 years now. I never clicked the actual app, but There's a few different quotes. You just customize your screen and you get a lock screen. And then you would just click here. And then there's the I am widget that you can add, and it'll also send you notifications if you want that. I have the notifications, and then I have the one on my homepage, and those change every 4 hours, every 3 hours, but I like that it's different every time I check my phone. I wanna fix my Notion around today, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I just finished the class. As you can tell, it was amazing. It was so hot in there, but perfect. I feel like heated classes are perfect for yoga, but not Pilates or workout classes. If not, it's too intense, I feel like. But she was so amazing. I really want to take another class of hers for sure. I'm trying this place out for now, but I went to a fit class on Monday and it was too intense. For me, there was no stretching, there was no nothing. It was just go right into the workout.